Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute only a certain part of a TikTok video. So this is a quick trick for you. Just watch this video until the end to know the steps. So let's just open the TikTok app. Okay, so let's say you want to upload a TikTok video, but your video might be consists of some bad words or the audio that you want to mute, but only on a certain part. You can just follow the steps here to mute that part. So first, let's just click on the plus icon and choose the video. Okay, I'm going to click on this to select the video. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose this one videos right here. So before tap on next, if you want to mute a certain part of your videos, you need to click on edit in here, and then you'll be directed to the TikTok built-in editor. So just go to where you want to mute the video, and then you can click on the video on a timeline and tap on split, and then go to where you want to end the mute part. So for example, I'm going to mute until here. Click on the split again, and now choose the part of the video that you want to mute, and in here you can just find this volume button. Tap on that, and then just lower the volume to 0. Just swipe the slider to the left right here, and the sound will be muted only on that part. And now you can just tap on next at the top, and just like that, the certain part of your video will be muted. If you want to preview the result, you can click on preview in here. And if you think that the mute is not perfectly synced because there's some part that you want to mute again, you can go back to the editing again in here, for example. Then you can choose to mute the part again, hit on split again, click on the video that you want to mute, and just follow the steps before. So go to volume and lower it down just like this. So tap on next again, and now you can just upload your TikTok video. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.